Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you need to reset your Black & Decker dishwasher, portable dishwasher. So there is usually a start cancel button which you could press to pause and then press and hold to reset the cycle. But we're not really talking about that today. We're talking about if it's acting funny or giving you errors or something like that, and you need to do a hard reset on it to get it back to its original settings. What you're going to do with this is you're going to do it the old-fashioned way, which is you're going to just make sure it's turned off, and then you're going to unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit. We just need to disconnect it from power completely for a full minute. And then once that minute is up, and if you can leave it disconnected for longer, that's great too. That helps the circuits forget everything. Once that happens, you can restore power and then turn it back on, and you'll see it run through kind of a startup cycle, and it should be back to its original settings. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.